Any mention?
Yes, Mr.
Please, Lordship. This item number 67, Your Lordship, I am withdrawing. There is a provision for filing appeal, Your Lordship, under Section 35 of National Commission for Indian System Medicine Act 2020. There is a provision, Section 35, bracket 5, it is there.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding the cancellation of the admission of the student, Lordship.
Wait.
Yes, I have been the student.
Bachelor of Ayurvedic, Medical and Surgery, Your Lordship. They had not followed. Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
There's provision of appeal.
There is a provision, Your Lordship. Therefore, we are
To withdraw it.
you want to withdraw it with the liberty to approach the proper
What
forum.
is the forum called?
That's a forum that, as per the section is mentioned, that if aggrieved University of the Medicine file appeal to the commission within the period of 60 days. That was there.
That period is over now.
Whatever, maybe we will be filing the yes.
Yes. What is that provision?
That provision is section 35, bracket the sub clause 5 of National Commission for Indian System of Medicine.
One second.
Your Lordship.
Is it here? 1 second.
I think that during close, maybe it is not there. But, that take
Show me the act.
yes,
Show me the provision. You have flagged it.
yes, yes, Lordship. That plaque number 2, I have highlighted also, my lord. Five is there.
No, it's not here. Yes. Yes, take down. Mr. P.T. Sangma, a learned counsel for the petitioner, University, raised that he may be allowed to withdraw the instant writ application to enable the petitioner's certi to prefer a statutory appeal under section 5 and bracket 6 of the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Act 2020. Stop. The same is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondent. Stop.
5 and 6.
Yes, next paragraph. It is noted that the matter concerns the admission into the petitioner university of how many students?
36.
36 number of students who it appears were admitted without counselling.
Yes, without counselling by the state.
Without counselling, and as such, their academic lives have been jeopardized. Stop. As the petitioner, as the counsel petitioner prays be allowed to withdraw the petition to prefer statutory appeal in view of the existing alternative remedy, the withdrawals allowed. Stop. And the petitioner university is given the liberty of approaching the. What is this? What is the liberty of filing is a board Ayurveda or what is it?
Yes, Ayurveda.
Okay, to approach the appellate authority. Stop. Next paragraph. As the fate of the student hangs in the balance, expected that the delay in preferring the appeal will be favorably considered. Yes.
Lordship.
So accordingly, the matter stands closed and disposed of on withdrawal. Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
With liberty granted as brief.
Deputy Varnish, my lord.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 59. Here, the conducting counsel, Mr. E.G. Momin, is having some personal difficulty, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, on this ground, constantly case has been adjourned for a long time.
Taken adjournment, Your Lordship, and his son is hospitalized, Your Lordship, so that's why he couldn't come.
Okay. Yes. Hospitalization, yes, 2 weeks. Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 65, Your Lordship.
$65?
Yes.
It's only adjourned. It's only withdrawn.
No, 67 was withdrawn, Your Lordship.
Or 67?
Was withdrawn. 65 is still.
Okay, sorry. 65 yes, 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, beg to mention item number 66, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship can have this matter after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why?
Some personal difficulty, Your Lordship.
Who's the personal difficulty? Yours or your arguing counsel?
Arguing counsel.
Yours?
No, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Miss S. Bhattacharya is also on leave, Your Lordship. She's conducting the S. Bhattacharya.
Okay, after 3 weeks, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 57, my lords, on behalf of the counsel for the appellant, Mr. N. Sinkon. He has some personal difficulty today, my lords.
57?
57, my lords. We've taken the consent of the other side. This matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
Why?
He has some personal difficulty, my lords. Mr. N.
Nothing for him
Sinkon.
to argue anymore.
I'm not aware of
Just
this.
waiting for the axe to fall.
Next week.
Okay, after 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
Otherwise, there's no sense in the journey of the matter. Yes.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 60.
Number?
60. I pray that the matter will be taken up after 1 week, Lordship. After 1 week, Lordship.
Where's the now?
He's having some personal difficulty, Lordship.
Objections,
Lordship.
What's
Does
the
that
matter
ACR
about?
matter promotion? I'm supposed to come with citations with regard to upgradation of that.
Citation?
I'm supposed to come. So even on the last count also they have sought adjournment. Lordship. I'm praying for tomorrow,
day after
Lordship.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow?
Fully obliged.
Yes.
Item number 1.
Yes.
Lordship, in spite of the executive directions of the Honorable Court and the protection given to us, Your Lordship, at the direction of the respondent, Lordship, the officials have entered my land and bulldozed whatever was standing on it, Your Lordship. As such, we are before Your Lordship with this contempt application, Your Lordship. Lordship was pleased to first say you notice I ordered it at 1724. Which is at page 9, operative portion is starting from page 10 here, Lordship.
Yes. Then after what happens?
Lordship, this order was duly communicated, and in spite as this order has been extended from time to time by this Honorable Court also, Your Lordship. So the stay operates against the respondent's Lordship. In spite of being fully aware of this fact, Your Lordship, they mentioned the property and bulldoze whatever was standing on it. And there's a newspaper report also to this effect, Your Lordship. Please look at page 13.
Where's the other materials to show that is your land?
Lordship.
KM 55, what is this? Yes. Let's issue notice, yes, hers also. Issue notice. Returnable in 2 weeks, yes. Steps taken today itself. Oh, but 2 years, yes.
Lordship, the connected written thing is also listed for hearing.
We'll take it up for hearing. 61 today is there, yes.
Lordship.
Item number 2.
61 minutes, we are ready for the hearing today. Lordship.
Lordship, the only thing if I may bring to your Lordship's notice, Lordship, the connected matter where this right of way is under challenge before the Honorable Division Bench, Your Lordship.
No, the thing is that you see one thing, Ms. Paul, that this matter has been repeatedly adjourned by either side, whatever. So, and if it's a matter involving public interest, public interest, we can't have it. Yes.
Item number 2.
The big submissions at that time.
My lord had directed for the paper book for the petitioners.
Your Lordship,
Prepared.
we will file it during the course of the day.
The paperwork's prepared. You've checked it also.
No, my lord.
One thing, you better check it also. Even though the appellant is preparing the paper book,
my lord,
before you file, just check it.
My lord.
Sometimes eligible, sometimes you annex the depositions and all. So if you just have a look and then you can file it.
My lord.
Yes, we'll give you 1 week's time. Khalangdo submits the paper book, we file the course of the week. Yes.
Obliged.
After 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
But you check it. Otherwise, every time they always complain. And people appear appellant, then the response says, "I can't read this. This page is missing." So we don't want that.
Item number 3.
Trading licenses issued.
No, my lord, as I've stated in the last occasion also, we have asked them to produce the NOC from the headman. No, my lord. Same, if your lordship will just come to page 40 of the contempt petition.
40?
40. 40, my lord, paragraph 5. As the process was taking an unreasonably long time, contempt applications alleging non-compliance of the order dated so-and-so were also filed by the writ petitioners. In the course of hearing, however, on a detailed examination of the Regulation 1954, it was noticed by this court that Section 3A, which contains the condition for granting or refusing a license with regard to recommendation, or in this case NOC, it has been provided at Section 3AC that the application was to be recommended by the village headman after being duly approved by the local darbar. The entire exercise, therefore, which has been gone into by the writ petitioners before the respondent number 1, this aim of SORA for grant of NOC, was therefore an exercise in futility, inasmuch as this aim of SORA, being the chief, had no role to play as per the regulation. At the time of hearing, Dr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, on this aspect has fairly submitted and conceded that perhaps in the grant of NOC, respondent number 1 would have not have any role to play, as on the recommendation of the village headman, the application for granting of trading license was to be dealt with by issuing authority, that is respondent number 2 KHDC. Mr. So-and-so, learned senior counsel, at this juncture, in the course of deliberations on instructions received, had then submitted that as the matter had been long pending, the respondent district council was ready to take up the matter of renewal of the trading license of all the petitioners and to deal with the same in accordance with the regulation, provided that the writ petitioners submitted their applications before the respondent number 2. Mr. D.A. Learned Counsel for the petitioners, on the suggestion of the Learned Senior Counsel, has also expressed the willingness of the writ petitioners to directly approach the respondent number 2 in the matter of renewal of their trading license, but however submits that a time frame may be prescribed by this court so that the matter be left in limbo any longer. Having heard the learned counsels for all the parties and having due consideration to the facts and circumstances of these cases, this court appreciates the stand taken by the counsels for the parties to resolve the present imbroglio. As such, without lingering with the matter any longer, it is hereby directed as follows. All the writ petitioners in these writ petitions shall apply individually for renewal of their respective trading licenses by submitting their applications before the office of the Secretary Executive Committee within 4 weeks from the date of this order, that is by 1st November 2023. On receipt of the said application, the respondent number 2 shall dispose of the same within a period of 8 weeks thereafter. It is also provided that respondent number 2 in this exercise shall nominate and authorize a special officer to process the said applications and to put up the same before the licensing authority for further necessary action. It is further directed that in the examination of applications, the same shall be conducted in a fair and transparent manner, and the writ petitioners be afforded adequate opportunity by the respondent number 2 to clarify any issue that may arise. The process of issuance of renewal or grant of fresh trading license shall be done strictly in accordance with the provisions of the regulations of 1954. So, my lord, what happened in the earlier round of litigation? Now, the NOCs of the petitioner were granted by the same Osora initially. Now, going through the records, my lord, we found out that in fact, all the petitioners have been granted NOC from the same Osora, rightly or wrongly. So now, Your Lordship, we have asked all of them to get an NOC from the village headman, because as per the Act, an NOC is mandatory from the headman. Because in principle, my lord,
yes,
we have agreed, we have said we will issue.
Yes.
In fact, affidavit says so also. So that is the only difficulty.
So then we will, is it possible to read down that part and you go on an NOC given by same Osora?
This order would have to be recalled, that one.
No, whatever it is, I mean, if it's taking so long, and if the council has no issues, then, you know,
or the village headman may be directed to issue the NOC.
That may be one of the which can solve the issue, my lord, if the village headman is directed.
He's not a party here.
But he's not a party. That's exactly the.
We can make him a party. We can
notice
in a contempt proceeding. Because only direction is required against the headman. That issue, my lord. Wrongly, rightly, CM of Sora, my lord, has issued NOC, my lord. On the strength of that NOC, my lord, trading license was given to us. And these are the trading licenses. We are not a fresh trading license, my lord. This is only for renewal, my lord.
But even for renewal, my lord,
renewal is actually by
even for renewal, my lord, is 3A only, 3A2. In case of license granted, the same shall normally, page 249. Note 1 and...
One second, please give me a different volume.
Volume.
Yes.
Volume
2778.
249.
So here's different.
Just give the user which act you are relying on.
It's the same, this.
The rules or the act?
Regulation,
sorry.
1954.
Yes.
My lord, will come to 3A subpara 2, which is at page 249.
Yes. 3A 2.
3 be renewed on application unless there is any complaint or any other consideration which the executive committee thinks fit.
That means it's not necessary for the entire exercise to go on.
Mandatory, my lord.
Any other consideration, my lord, which the executive committee thinks fit to call for a report of fresh recommendation.
Now, what other consideration? There's no other consideration.
The only consideration is that, my lord, they have not received, till date, they have not given us a copy of the NOC from the
village.
That is all, my lord.
No, see, in case of license granted, the same shall normally be renewed. Normally be renewed on application unless there's any complaint. Or any other consideration which
the executive thinks fit
to call for report or fresh recommendation. Now you have to take a call whether under 3A2 you feel it's fit to call for
a fresh.
Yes, that's what we have decided, to call for from the village headman.
As per 3A2.
Yes, ma'am.
That is recorded in your proceedings.
Yes, ma'am.
That is recorded in your proceedings.
No, my lord. What we have asked them by these. My lord. What we have asked them by these notices is to produce, obtain a fresh NOC from the concerned traditional head. Obtain a fresh NOC from the concerned traditional head.
Officer, my lord may kindly take note. This is not by the executive committee which has decided this issue. Take note. This is not by the executive committee which has decided this issue. It is the special officer. It is the special officer who has directed.
But this court has directed that a special officer be appointed.
Then we'll have to modify that order.
Yes.
My lord.
We'll file an application.
Let him file an application.
I will do that. I'll do that.
Because that is the only. Yes.
My lord, I will do that.
Then it can be ironed out.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes.
almost 40 matters can be disposed of, my lord.
The counsel of the parties, as there are some issues that have cropped up with regard to interpretation of the order dated 4/10/2023, passed in WPC number 369 and others and other connected matters. This matter after 2 weeks.
In the meantime, we'll file the modification.
Whatever, we're not seeing
my lord.
352. WPC 352.
Item 44.
Every case I have to
44.
44.
Item 44.
Yes, also sometime. Next matter.
45. 45.
Well, notice has been served upon the private respondent, my lord, in this matter. We have filed a service affidavit, my lord, on 1st July.
Been served.
1st July we have filed, my lord.
Number 2.
Yes.
Office note, in after service upon the respondent number 2 has been filed by the petitioner. Accordingly, service on all the respondents is complete. So we decided after 2 weeks for appearance. After 2 weeks for the appearance of respondent number 2, Ms. R. Gurung is present on behalf of the state respondents.
46.
Lordship. This is a contempt petition, my lord. No, they have filed. I have asked the instruction from the petitioner. We have submitted a document on 22 May 2000. In reality,
where's MS Island? Where's the respondent? Who's appearing in this matter?
Yes, Lingua was appearing earlier.
So others
20, UN Sir. Item number 55.
And is it Asima listed today also?
Yes, yes. My lord, the second, this some extra work also allotted in the same project. Yeah. So another revised estimate also prepared by the State Road Transport Authority, and that was also sent to the Central Authority, Ministry of Road Transport Authority. And after receipt of this revised estimate, Central Department issued some clarifications. You prepare in this way and make out the clarify all this how that is been estimated. So accordingly, they have received, the state PWD received this clarification, but till that they are keeping silent.
When was this clarification sought for?
Clarification is issued 18 May 2011. In page number 2, I have mentioned subsequently Chief Engineer, National Highway, PWD Roads, Meghalaya, Shillong. The respondent revised estimate cost of the project of the revised cost estimate for project for 7,54,53,300. By letter project, bridge and road. That is revised. Some extra work also allotted. So thereafter, if my total estimate cost comes to 7,54,53,000, so up to 6th RA bill I have paid only 4,38, and remaining bill, it is the duty and responsibility of the State Roadways PWD to prepare the bill and submit to the national authority for release of the payment. But in this case, they have not clarified the revised estimate till date.
To the Central Authority?
Central Authority.
Which year was this?
This year they have been 2011.
2011, now it's 25.
Thereafter they are keeping silent. I have completed in 2013. In June 2013, I have handed over the project. That is also used in the public purpose. There is no dispute regarding quality of the project or nature of the project, nothing. Till then, there is no
is that okay, fine.
Yes.
The initial cost was 4.87. Correct. Now out of 4.87, now you have been paid 6 running bills, 4 crore 38 you have been paid.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Then the other agency charges are different.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Now you say there was a revised estimate for the work,
Yes.
which it came to 7.54
Same
crores.
time.
Right, so, and that work you have completed also.
Yes.
So outstanding according to you is the
Outstanding.
Yes.
4 crore 90 lakhs. I will give you the detail in page number 3. In page number 3.
Yes. 4.90 crores.
Yes. 4 crore 9094 964.
Yes.
This is the receivable. If they will complete the revised estimate sent to the central authority, then central authority will issue the.
No, but your contention is that they never sent it.
No, never sent it.
Although clarification was
Yes.
sought. Where's
Yes.
the letter seeking clarification?
Yes, well.
Central government, yes.
Page number 73.
73.
3. Letter is received on 4th November 2011, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Regional Office, Guwahati.
Just read the relevant part.
Yes.
Yes, where?
73, Ministry of Road Transport Authority Highways, writing to the Chief Engineer P8, Ministry of Road Transport Highways, Transport Bhavan, New Delhi, regarding Ministry's letter NH 210 so and so. Please refer the ministry letter cited under the reference to the above. It is not out of the place to mention that the construction of the bridge started when it was not declared NH, but due to fund constraint, this bridge could not be completed. However, upon the declaration of this road, NH the balance work was sanctioned under NHO work. RCE has been examined. Provision of the
cost estimate examined. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Not
This letter has been issued. Approach road and extra works have been additional new items.
Now ECE, who's this noting is here, please endorse to EE National Highway Bamara for necessary action. 8/11. That means after 4 days.
Yes. Then in page
what
number
happened?
in page number 75.
Yes.
In page number 75, National Highway Authority, Transport Highway, New Delhi, writing the letter, the Regional Officer, Civil, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Rajgod Road, Guwahati, Chandmari, regarding estimation. Please refer Government Meghalaya, letter number so and so, dated 10 August 2018. Please refer to your letter dated cited above, submitted thereof. A revised estimate amount was 7 crore 54 lakh 53,000. For the subject work. In this regard, it is requested to furnish the details like up-to-date status of the work in terms of physical and financial progress, expenditure incurred for so far, along with the recommendation of the subject matter. Till that, they are keeping silent, my lord. This letter is written in 2018, whereas I have completed my project in 2013.
Now this letter, now after that, you see this next one, 11 was his letter, right?
Yeah.
11 was 4th of November 2011. Next, this letter here just now, it's 5th of 2018.
No, so many letters are correspondence there.
No, that means 7 years, nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Well, they are keeping silent.
Okay.
And so many correspondence I have followed.
Fine, they're keeping silent. We're just trying to examine your case. Now, P4, this is the letter from Chief Engineer, National Highways. 18. Yes.
And then page 76, and another letter is there.
Yes. Yes.
And another page number 76, my lord.
Yeah, you've seen that. Yes.
Yeah.
Then what happened after this?
After that, Meghalaya State PWD Roads issued to the letter to the Executive Engineer PWD Roads, Bagmara.
October 2018. Right?
Yeah.
Then?
Bagmara is times revised.
Next letter is 20 October 2019.
Yeah. Next letter 77 2019.
Mr. Shulai,
Lordship,
very serious state of affairs.
Lordship, kindly have a writ petition.
Then again, 13 July 2020.
Lordship, first thing, Lordship.
One second.
Documents which they have produced now, Lordship, they are not part and parcel.
Is that correct, Mr. Sahu?
Hello.
Are they not part of the petition?
Kindly have the writ petition, Your Lordship.
Yes, this compile is part of these petitions. Whatever is available that I compiled for the ready reference.
No. Is it this year writ petition?
Yes.
Parcel of the writ petition, Your Lordship.
No, let's see if that's they are not writ petition. Very, very crucial. There's 11 and the no action taken 18, 19, 20.
Yeah.
Let's see. Where's the next year?
Lordship, the annexure start from page 10.
Regendered affidavit at page number 23 that is available in this record.
Not agenda. All the documents are there, you sure?
Yes, yes.
No.
All are available record, my
They
lord.
are not. They are not part. They are not part of the writ petition, Your Lordship.
We'll do one thing. When can you come again? We'll close the matter next week.
Yes, my lord.
You just-
My lord, I have.
No. The thing is that, see, if they are raising
Yeah.
objections, these documents which you have produced today,
Yes.
they must be part of the record.
Yes, yes, that is part of record. I have compiled from
What
those
part of
records, not from new records I have had. I have compiled all those records. There is
Lordship, kindly have the writ
page
petition.
23. Page 23 is a regendered of the page 23 that is letters available. And I have also attached in this my compilation appendix at page number 7 in which document that is available in whether in the petition or regender or in the
Kindly see the
No, one second.
general rule
Yes.
direction for the
Now,
guidance of the law.
all this.
All you are.
One second, please. The one you give to yes. Has this been indexed?
yes.
This one?
Yes,
It's
yes.
been indexed?
Yes, page number 7, my lord.
No, has it been indexed?
Yes. Page number 7 that is available appendix.
The entire index.
Yes.
Now, so you cross-reference with the petition.
Yes. I've already annexed 1 in my petition that is available as page number 2 in this compilation.
Right, okay, very good.
Annexed 2 in my petition that is page number 11 to 39, 15 numbers of letters, personal letters. And annexed 3 my legal notice that is also at page number 40 to 44 in my petition. Everything
That's the one
I have not
kindly, Mr. Shulai,
Lordship.
you kindly tell your junior students.
I mentioned in this
cross-reference this. Yes, a compilation of the documents relied upon by the petitioner have been filed today by the counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. N. Shulai, please allow some time to cross-reference the same as to whether all the documents filed today are part and parcel of the petition or affidavits filed earlier.
Lordship, in fact, from the notes which they have handed, it's very clear. Lordship, for the moment, if Lordship kindly come to turn to page 8 of the present notes which they have.
I'll give you time to make your
Lordship, I'll make a comparison, Your Lordship.
You make comparison. Top no, buddy. For the petition or affidavit filed with petitioner. Yes, after 1 week.
Yes, sir.
2 weeks.
Let me 2 weeks.
2 weeks. As per their convenience, I have no objection.
2 weeks.
All right.
58.
Yes, or no?
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, the two villages, Nanghali and Minriang, are adjacent to each other, and in fact, Nanghali is much bigger village than the Minriang, Lordship. And there has initially these two villages were one, but then after the year 1991 they have separated. And Lordship, way back in the right after they separated, then this dispute started arising, Lordship, regarding the boundary. And Lordship, there have been a settlement way back in 1992, in which the boundary was demarcated between these two villages. However, Lordship, the respondent number 5, that is the headman of Nong Minriang, they have again and again asked for more land, for more to change the boundary of these two villages, and they have filed a petition to the respondents, to the respondent number 1.
Yes.
And thereafter, Lordship, there have been inspection and then a report of from the Bakhra also, and ultimately on the 9/12/2015, there has been a decision by the CM of Hima Khairim that a boundary has been settled once and for all. That was in 2015. That is in page 51, Lordship.
Page
51. Fifth one is Khasi, and then English translation is in
page 51.
English translation is in yeah, 51 only. In fact, I have I have read halfway of this. I have read, if I may allow to read again.
This order.
This order is
this order dated 9 December.
Yes, Lordship.
Kindly read it. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Sorry,
this will answer the whole facts will come out.
Yes. My Lord, before my friend continues, Your Lordship will just see the prayer in the writ petition. Page 19.
Yes.
In fact, the order passed by the District Council also has not been impugned. In the premises, it is humbly prayed that Your Lordships would be graciously pleased to admit this petition, call for records, issue a notice calling upon the respondents to show cause as to why an appropriate rule be not issued for directing the respondents to reconsider the matter by abiding the boundaries between the two villages.
Was that as per the 9 December, and then we asking for review of which order then?
Exactly, my Lord. This order has not been impugned. Also.
Where's the order?
The order of the District Council is at page 85.
Oh.
Translated copy is 88.
The 9.
Whatever, 30.
Sir, I would like to inform you that mention above an order.
Point of time, Lord.
With them,
No,
no.
Lordship.
Respondents said that the work was satisfactory, whereafter a sanction for payment was already sanction and request for payment was already released. Stop. Page 23. The writ petitioner was asked to rectify